Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove auto-add rules in QuickBooks Online. If you've been using bank rules to automatically categorize transactions but want more control over what gets added to your books, this tutorial will show you exactly how to disable that automation while keeping the rule itself intact. First, you'll need to navigate to the Transactions menu in QuickBooks Online. This is your central hub for managing all banking activity and the rules that govern how transactions are processed. Once you're there, look for the Rules tab and click on it. This section displays all the bank rules you've created to streamline your bookkeeping workflow. Now take a moment to browse through your existing rules and find the specific bank rule where you want to remove the auto-add feature. This might be a rule that's been adding transactions a bit too aggressively, or perhaps you just want to review items manually before they're recorded. Once you've located the rule, click the Edit link that appears below it. This will open up the rule's configuration settings. In the Edit Rule pop-out window that appears, you'll see all the conditions and actions associated with this rule. Here's where you can make adjustments to how the rule operates. Scroll down to the bottom of this window where you'll find the Auto Add setting. This is the toggle that controls whether transactions matching this rule are automatically added to your books without your review. Click on the Auto Add slider to turn it off. You'll notice the slider changes color, typically turning gray, which indicates that the Auto Add function is now disabled. This means that going forward, transactions matching this rule will still be categorized according to your specifications, but they won't be automatically added. Instead, they'll wait for your manual approval, giving you that extra layer of control over your financial records. Finally, click the Save button to confirm and save your changes. The rule will continue to work by suggesting categories and details for matching transactions, but it will no longer add them automatically. This gives you the best of both worlds: the efficiency of rules-based categorization with the security of manual review. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.